So before I became a game board creator, I used to play Magic a lot and I have a lot of boosters in my wardrobe. So I thought, why not to open some? And here's my first opening of a Dissension Italian booster. Let's see what we can pull. I was not expecting the uncommon to come first, but there's no problem. I just flipped the booster and then I remember that I can do the magic trick and put the uncommons and the rare at the end of the pack. I mean, I managed to pull a foil and a ghost quarter, so I'm happy with that, even if the rare is not that good.